Hey guys, just wanted to review this pressure washer. It's a Westinghouse, and that's the model number right there. I have a quick review on my channel, but I have not really reviewed it using it. So I wanted to use it today so you guys can see and just to give you guys what I think about it. But I love this thing, super quiet, no gas, it's electric. It plugs here on the wall, right here, and it's got this adapter right here. I got a really long cable, which I really like. I can extend it super far. And then it came with this long, about 25 feet, maybe 50 feet, I'm not sure, cable. But it's got a brushless motor. You can add soap in it right there. And it's got that turbo, this thing here, turbo. And then it comes with all those adapters like the tips for the pressure washer. So I'm gonna be cleaning my car right here, and I just wanted to show you guys how it sprays and the power. Just give you guys some ideas if you want to buy this. I highly recommend this one. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna use this sprayer to wash my car right now, and then you guys can watch and see what you think about the pressure and the power. It's gonna be a little bit louder, but it's totally fine, okay? I'm gonna switch this nipple to a different one. I usually like to use this green one. This one. It cleans better for me, I don't know. What do you guys use to clean your car? This cleans better for me. All right, let's do it. This is the gun that comes with it. I like this. You could buy a smaller. I do have a smaller one, like a shorter one that I use too, but I like this longer one because I can get under the car and all that kind of stuff. But just want to show you guys how this sprays. All right, so you guys can see that this is not very loud at all. It's not like the gas powered ones that are fumes and super loud. So this should be able to clean my car really fast. Let me bring my camera closer so you guys can see. I usually just rinse my car first before I put the soap. All right, so now I'm gonna put soap. I got the cannon thing that sprays the soap, and I'm gonna move this back here so you guys can see much better. All right, on this side. So once I put my soap on, then I can use my microfiber cloth to clean it up. Right here, this is what I use. I should probably get a bucket of water also. Kind of chilly still here in Colorado, so you need some at least warm water. So it's kind of cold still. Touching the soap there, even though the sun is out, it's freezing. So I got warm water. That helps. I always wash my cars. I don't take the car to the drive-through washing. It's dangerous, especially this Tesla thing. Man, I enjoy to wash my cars anyway. Therapeutic. There you go. So the whole roof of a Tesla is glass. Right. Alright, now it's rinsing. What do you guys think about this pressure washer? Be sure you get the model number if you missed it. Whether Westinghouse electrical, they also make gas ones. There you go, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you. If you have any questions about this thing, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Westinghouse 3400 PSIs. It's got 2 point. I love this.